叫什么？
你好. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Robbie from the room service.
Room service, room
I'm
service.
captain waiter.
Captain, captain.
You order?
Order?
You understand English?
Me no English. Me no
You
English.
order, sir. Here's our menu. Mahirap naman. Without pinos mo. Sir, menu, order.
Mm.
And then, no food. Drinks. Hi, sir.
How?
Dessert. No, like.
No like sweet.
Yeah, dessert. You don't like sandwich, cake?
No.
Okay. No, sir, this is your order. Egg omelette. Pinot Noir. Wine. And then mac and cheese.
Ito.
Hi, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.